Welcome to this Magento tutorial from Optimize Web. My name is Sid. This is part 1 of the 3-part Magento category management tutorial. In this part, I will provide you with a basic understanding of Magento categories and some best practices that you can follow when planning and managing your website's categories. Categories are core to every e-commerce website. Visitors to your website will most likely follow your category tree to find the product of their liking. Therefore, it is essential that you plan your category structure in a way that would make it easy to navigate and find the products that you offer. Once you are logged into the Magento admin panel, hover your mouse over Catalog from the top menu and click on Manage Categories from the drop-down menu. This will load up the category management interface. Along the left column, you will see the category tree, and on the right main column, you will see the category entry form. At the top of the left column, there are two buttons, one to create root categories and another to create subcategories. It is most likely that you will already have a root category for your website. It might be called as default category. I have renamed it to root category to make it easier to understand. The root category represents your website. You can have multiple websites on your Magento install and use different root categories for each website. One website can have only one root category. Also, the details provided for your root category might not be shown anywhere on your website unless your developer chooses to do so. Every other category that you create under your website's root category will be through the Add Subcategory button. To start with, I have already created a sample top-level category and a second-level category. There is no limit to the number of subcategories that you can create using Magento, but keep it to a reasonable level. In my opinion, a bunch of top-level categories followed by a second level of categories will be a perfect fit for all e-commerce websites. Any more than that, your visitors might get tired clicking through your category tree. I will now show you how to add a new top level and a second level category. Select the root category. This will activate the root category and load its details in the main column. Then click on the Add Subcategory button. This implies that you are going to create a subcategory under your root category. An empty web form should have loaded up in the main column. You will be populating your new categories details in this web form. I will continue showing how to create, edit, and delete categories in part 2 of this Magento tutorial. Please proceed to part 2 to continue watching. Thank you.